Nick, catchy, keep it. Spider-Man.
Love it, thank you.
You want to see something even cooler? Close
Sure.
your eye.
I
don't feel so good.
Zoe, catch it, keep it.
Catchy, keep it.
Oh, Zoe, what is this?
SpongeBob.
Baby, rate them 1 to 10 in the comments. Zoe, catch it, keep it. Oh, marshmallow. Here we go. Get that. No, don't touch me. Take the money. Don't die.
Catchy, keep it.
Oy. Zoe, is this for me or is this for you?
What?
This is actually quite comfy.
Good night.
See ya.